Oh, it's a nice day. It rained. It cooled everything off. Joe's headed for work, but he's gonna drop Minnie and I off at the Dunkin'. We're in a hurry for donut.
A few moments later.
We're here at Patty's picking up some bread. Time to head over to 7-Eleven to load the Gcash. There's my favorite store, Mr. DIY, always low prices. Uh-oh. Detour. So much stuff in here. Love the toy section. I like the dinosaurs. As seen on TV. We'll take the put to 7-Eleven. Oh, the pig is here. The Chamba boy. Folks, this is living life in the fast lane here in the Philippines. Baybay City Leyte. We are on our way to 7-Eleven. Gcash machine.
2,000 years later.
Oh yeah. Pero sobra na.
Terminal po Candadam. Ah, we made it to the terminal, safe and sound. Good morning. How much is corn?
58.
They have peanut over here too. Things are changing here. How much for peanut?
50 pesos. What? 50 or 30?
Oh, 50 this size right here? Okay, 150. I will take. I will go over here and we'll take the Jeep. We'll take a Jeep, a bus, a taxi, a Grab, a motor, a tuk-tuk, a put-put. Here we go. There's our limousine ready to go. All right, that was a nice ride home. Man, Minnie beat me across the street. Good morning, good morning. We're just about at the house. It's very rainy here in Baybay City Leyte. I think it's signal 1 right now. We're getting some raindrops. It's ugly looking up there. But we have to put in this water line. Getting a little wet won't bother me too much. I could always change clothes. Took about 60 meters of blue line to get from that new water meter to the house where we want it. I don't know really how long this is going to take, but hopefully things will work out the way that we need them to. I need something to be going right for us. The doggie's afraid of me. The plumber in action. Moving it down to ground level, huh? I would have just popped the hose right in there straight away. I guess that ain't the proper way to do it. Looks like he's going to attach that to it. Maybe it's going to be angled down like this right here. So far so good. All right, a few more steps and we should have water. All right, so I think we have it figured out. So the second water line, it bypasses this. They use this a lot for laundry, and once they start running this, well, it empties the house of water because they're grabbing it here first before it enters the house. And then over here, we're gonna tie in here. We're gonna tee off here. Put a check valve and a swing valve so the water doesn't return back to its source. And tee it in here. So you actually can put the swing valve here, the check valve, tee in here so the water will go this way. And then this right here, this is the outbound water supply, and that goes over here into the water pump. It's buried back here, but anyway, there's the water pump. Now for the most important reason why you need to increase water pressures right here. That's what I'm talking about, the bum gun. That's why we spend all this money.
Later.